Hey everyone! If you're watching this video, Netflix downloads are probably giving you a headache right now. Maybe the button does nothing, maybe it gets stuck, or you're seeing some random error code. Whatever it is, there's almost always a fixable cause. Today I'll cover every cause and give you the fix right after. Cause number 1, plan and account restrictions. Monthly download cap. If you're on the standard with ads plan, you only get 15 downloads per device per month. Hit that limit and download stops working until the first of the next month. Now open the app, go to downloads, and check how many you have left. If you're at 0, either wait for the reset or upgrade to a plan without the cap. Device limit per plan. Each plan also has a device limit, 2 devices on standard, 6 on premium. If you've switched to a new phone but never removed the old one from your account, you might be hitting that ceiling. You can go to your Netflix account settings in a browser, find Manage Download Devices, and remove anything you're not using anymore. Household device verification. Netflix's household restrictions can also block downloads if your device isn't recognized as part of your household. You can connect to your home Wi-Fi, open Netflix, and complete the household verification when prompted. Cause number 2, network and connection issues. Wi-Fi only setting. By default, Netflix is set to download over Wi-Fi only. So if you're on mobile data, nothing will download. You can go to app settings, find downloads, and toggle off the Wi-Fi only option, or just connect to Wi-Fi. VPN interference. Netflix is very aggressive about blocking VPNs, and the download feature gets hit especially hard. You might see the download button disappear, or a download will fail midway. Turn off your VPN before downloading. Once the file is saved, you can turn it back on. Cause number 3, app bugs and cache problems. Outdated app version. An old version of the Netflix app can have download bugs that have already been patched. You can check the App Store or Google Play for updates, install them, restart the app, and try again. Corrupted cache data. If downloads keep getting stuck at 0%, corrupted cache is a likely culprit. On Android, go to Settings, find Netflix under Apps, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. Expired content license. Downloaded content comes with a license that expires, usually within 48 hours of starting playback, or 30 days if you haven't started it yet. If something shows as expired, reconnect to the internet and open Netflix. It will refresh the license automatically, as long as the title is still on the platform. Cause number 4, device hardware and storage issues. Insufficient storage space. Netflix files can range from a few hundred MB to several GB depending on quality. If your phone has less than about 2 GB free, downloads will fail. You can free up space by deleting unused apps, clearing out old photos, or offloading files to the cloud. SD card problems. If you're an Android user saving downloads to an SD card, a slow or damaged card can cause failures. Anything below Class 10 speed rating is too slow for Netflix downloads. You can switch the download location to internal storage or replace the card. Unsupported or outdated device. If none of these fixes work, it might be a problem with your device's compatibility. Netflix downloads are only officially supported on iOS, Android, and Amazon Fire tablets. The Windows Netflix app and all Mac browsers don't support official downloads. So if you're trying to download on a Windows or Mac computer, you'll need a third-party solution. There's a tool called FlixiCam, a Netflix video downloader for Windows and Mac that lets you download Netflix movies and shows directly to your computer as MP4 or MKV files, with no expiration dates, no device limits, and no re-download requirements. Using FlixiCam is pretty straightforward. First, head over to the FlixiCam website and download the installer. Once you open it up, you'll be prompted to log into your Netflix account directly in the built-in browser. After that, you can use the search bar to look up movie or show you want to download. Before you hit download, take a second to go into the settings and choose your preferred video quality, audio language, and subtitle language. Once everything looks good, just click the download button and let it run. FlixiCam downloads at 10 times the normal speed, so you can grab your favorite shows in no time. Alright, that's everything for today's video. I hope at least one of these fixes solved your problem. If it did, leave a comment letting me know which one worked for you, and if you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you in the next video.